Let's solve this question together. It says for raised to power x plus 2 is equal to 90. We're going to solve for the value or values of x in this question. Okay? Now, first things first, we can say that 4 is equal to 2 squared. And 90 is equal to 2 times 5 times 9. Okay? Sorry. Alright. So moving on from here, we can now say that this is 2 raised to power 2 raised to power x plus 2 is equal to 2 times 5 times 9. Okay? Now from here we can say when you have this form of an expression, you multiply this with this. So we have 2 raised to power 2x plus 4 is equal to 2 times 5 times 9. Okay? Now from here we can say that 4, okay, we can do something to 4. So because we have plus here at the power, we can say that this is 2 raised to power 2x multiplied by 2 raised to power 4 is equal to 2 times 5 times 9. Now from here we have 2 raised to power 2x will be equal to, now we divide both sides by 2, so we have 2 times 5 times 9 divided by 2 raised to power 4. Okay? Now, this is 2 raised to power 2x to be equal to, now 2 into 2 raised to power 4 is something as, this is 2 raised to power 1. When you divide, you have 4 minus 1 here, and this strikes out. Okay, so we have 5 times 9 divided by 2 raised to power 4 minus 1 is 2 raised to power 3. Okay? Moving on from here, we can say that this will become equal to, let's say the logarithm of both sides. So we take the logarithm in the base of the number carrying the x. So this is 2 of 2 raised to power 2x to be equal to the logarithm of this side is logarithm in base 2 of 5 times 9 divided by what? 2 raised to power 3. Okay? Sorry, this is 3. Okay? Now, when you have logarithm of 2 to base 2 is 1, but then remember it's carrying a power. When you have a log at the power, you multiply that log by that power and remove it from the top. So we have 2x. Now, multiplying the log of 2 to base 2 is 1, so this is 1. Okay, so we leave it as 1. Now this is log in base 2 of, first number is 5. The next number is times. Times becomes plus in logarithm. So we have logarithm in base 2 of 9. Divide is minus, so we have logarithm in base 2 of 2 to the power of 3. Okay? Now, 2x here now becomes equal to logarithm in base 2 of 5 plus logarithm in base 2 of 9, okay? Minus, now, this is 3 multiplied by logarithm in base 2 of 2 is 1. Now, from here we have that our x will become equal to, we have 1 over 2 multiplied by logarithm in base 2 of 5 plus, now logarithm in base 2 of 9 is something as 3 squared. Okay, now when you have logarithm in base 2 of 3 squared, you multiply this log by the power. Okay, so we have 2 multiplied by the log of 3 in base 2. Okay, so that's what this becomes, divided by what? 2 minus 3 divided by 2. Okay, so from here our x will now become equal to, okay, logarithm in base 2 of 5 over 2, okay, plus, this now becomes equal to logarithm in base 3 of 2 minus 3 over 2. So this becomes our final answer to this question. Thanks for watching. If you made it to the end, please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.